My name is Giovanna McCarthy. I've been in the aesthetic world, since I was 16. From what I've seen over the last 4 years, to get the results that we want them to get, they need, no doubt, hands-on training. I do like anybody who is doing the procedure to have it done. They need to know what it feels like. Why? You're going to get a phone call. You're going to need to know what that feels like so that you can accurately know if something's truly going on with your patient or not. I do feel that you're doing yourself and your patients a disservice if you don't get the procedure done. You want to know what it feels like at the 2-week mark. If something goes funky, you want to know, and you want to know that it does resolve so you can confidently say to somebody, I had it done, I had that problem, it was gone in 2 weeks. So there are a lot of little nuances to it that if you haven't had it done yourself, you can't adequately speak on it.